students, in our previous video classes we were discussing regarding how to create ledgers in Tally. So today in this video we will start with introduction to inventories. Okay, so before that first we should know what is inventory. Okay, so inventory is the total amount of goods or materials contained in a store or factory at any given time. So inventory is nothing but it's the total amount of good which is present in a company or a store or a factory, we call it as. So to manage inventory we have several terms to consider. So the term to manage our inventories are, it may be a stock items, stock groups and stock categories. So in our Tally we can look at this window. This is gateway of Tally. In master's options we have one more option called as inventory info. If you click on this inventory info, we will be getting several terms related to inventory information. We can see the stock groups, stock items, unit of measure, voucher type and copy allocation details as well as quit. So now in this video we will discuss how to create stock groups as well as stock item in inventory information. Okay, so first we should understand what are stock items. Okay, so stock item, it is a primary inventory entry in the Tally. It is the basic and lowest level of information for any entry. Okay, so stock item is the entity that a factory produces or the retailer sells. We call it as stock item. Then what about stock group? Stock group is nothing but these are the collection of similar type of stock items. Now stock groups are nothing but these are the collection of such stock items. We call them as stock groups. So now in this particular video we will discuss how to create stock groups as well as stock items. Okay, now first we need to go to the gateway of Tally. Now you can see the gateway of Tally dialog box is appearing on the screen. Just click on inventory info button. Then now we are in inventory information. We can look at this window. We have two options, one is stock groups and stock item. Okay, if you want to create stock groups, first you need to create stock groups. See, stock groups are as same as that of groups in Tally. We have already created groups. These are also same as that of groups in Tally. Okay, just what you have to do, you have to, so under groups we can create items. First, for example, we have a electrical shop, electronics material shops, and we have all terms of materials like we have TVs, fridge and so many things, computers, laptops, all variety of things we have. Then to maintain such stock items, first we need to create stock group. For example, if I create a stock group named as TV, then under that stock group TV we can store all our different companies TVs. So different companies TVs are referred as stock items and only TV is referred as stock groups. Okay, under TV stock group we can store all our items. Like a fridge, if you create one stock group name as fridge, then under that group we can add so many items which are present in our shop. So like that, first we need to create one stock group, then we need to add stock items in that particular groups. So now I am telling you how to create a stock group in Tally. Just you go to stock group option, or directly you can click G button from your keyboard. It will take you to the stock group dialog box. Now to create stock groups, what we have done, first we went to gateway of Tally, then inventory information. In that we have clicked on stock groups. Now we are in stock group dialog box. We have two options. One is single stock group and second one is multiple stock groups. Okay, in single stock group we have three more options. One is create, display and alter, and multiple stock groups we have also the options like create, display and alter, and the last button is quit. Okay, as that of creation of ledger, creation of groups, we have followed the same things. Here also we need to follow the same things. Just click on C button or create button. Now you can look at the window. This is stock group creation window. This is the stock group creation window. We have so many options to enter here. First, name. Which name you want to give to your stock group? Okay, I want to give TV as name of the stock group. Then under which group? Now I am taking under primary group. Then I am keeping as that of same group. Then should quantities of item be added? Here no option is there. Just if you want to add the number of items should be in this group, then you can make it as S. Means if you want the quantity of the items, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ Y. Press on Y button. Now I have selected, and that is a accept. It will ask for acceptance. Just click on Y. Then you have created a stock group name as what? TV. Now we can create so many groups like that. We can create a computer group, we can create laptop groups, we can create fridge group, and in that groups we can keep adding the stock items. So now I am clicking escape. Now I have showed you how to create a single stock group. Now I will show you how to create multiple stock groups. So just click on create option. This is the multiple stock group window. Okay, just you need to select under which group you want to make the group. Okay, you just need to select. See, I have all the list of groups are appearing here, all items and TV. Okay, now under group I will select the primary group, all item I will select. Then now name of the stock groups, we can keep adding the stock group names. Now I will add computer as my stock group, and I will keep enter. And under primary group I want to create means click on primary. And if you want to, you should quantities of items be added means if you want to give enter means yes, means you just click Y button. Just click yes. Then again if you want to create the fridge group, if you want to create the fridge group, then again click enter, then primary group, and yes. Okay, like this you may create so many groups. Okay, this is how we created different stock groups. Okay, multiple stock group at a time. Then keep entering and it will ask for acceptance, then click yes. So this is how we created single stock group as well as multiple stock groups. Now we can see, or we can look at display the single stock group. Now we can see the computer, fridge, TV. These are the stock groups which we have created. If you want to alter, just go to the alter. Suppose here I want to give the name as laptop. Instead of computer, I want to make it as laptop. Then keep entering and make the sure. Now you can see I have altered computer name to laptop. Now if you want to delete a particular stock groups, then just go to that alter button, then select a particular group, then click on Alt plus D button from your keyboard, then click yes, it will be deleted. Now you can see the laptop group is not presented. So this is how to create single stock groups and multiple stock groups, and same as that of this, we can create, display and alter the multiple stock groups. Okay students, in our further videos we'll see how to create stock items in Tally. Okay, thank you.